Hello, my friends. Chef Blondie here. Today is Valentine's Day, and it's always a special day for me. Every Valentine's Day, Chef Fuzzy and I, we always do a Julia Child recipe, and it's sautéed beef with mushrooms and a cream sauce. And so we thought today we would take you along with us as we put this all together, and I know, as always, you're going to love this one. Happy cooking. Okay, my friends, these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make the sautéed beef with mushrooms and cream sauce from Julia's Mastering the Art of French Cooking. First of all, you're going to need some beef, and we chose top sirloin. And you're going to need some fresh sliced mushrooms, some minced shallot, or you can put green onions if you want. You're going to need butter and olive oil or oil of your choice. And Julia calls for Madeira or Noilly Prat vermouth. And we decided to go with the Madeira. And you're going to need some beef stock, some heavy whipping cream, and you're going to need cornstarch for a thickener, and salt and pepper. And then at the end, you're going to use some parsley sprigs just for a garnish.
Hi, Old Fuzz Face here. I want to show you a little trick with slicing up mushrooms, making it go fast. First thing you do is take your mushroom, cut it in half like that.
No. The first thing you do is you do not wash your mushrooms, rinse them, until you're right ready to use them. Okay, go ahead, Fuzz.
I stand corrected, Chef Blondie.
That's a Jacques thing.
And then, using an egg slicer,
This is a cool tool.
there you go. It's sliced. Let's do it again. It's sliced. There we go. Just thought you'd like to know.
Okay, my friends, now with your meat, you want to make sure that you dry it off thoroughly with paper towels, because if you don't, you're going to be steaming your meat instead of sautéing them. So I've got it thoroughly dried. Now we're slicing it into the strips that you're going to need. All right, my friends, now we're going to start with sautéing the mushrooms. And you need a couple of tablespoons of butter and olive oil. So I'm heating this skillet up, or brazier, and then we'll get the mushrooms going. And you'll probably cook them for about 4 minutes or so, and then we'll add the shallots to it. It's interesting with a Julia recipe, everything is done in steps. So once these get done and the shallots, you have to take them out, put them back in this dish, then we'll start on our beef. Okay, now it's time to put in your shallots. And these only cook for a minute at the most. Then we're going to add some salt and pepper. And I just do salt and pepper to your taste. Okay, then we're going to take these out and get the beef started. All right, now we're ready to do the beef. So you want 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want some more olive oil. And when this gets to be fairly hot, we're going to do the beef. Okay, now we're going to start browning our beef. You don't want to cook it for too long, just, put them in there. All right, now you're going to add your Madeira and your stock, and you're going to boil this down. All right, now we're going to add our cup of cream, and then our cornstarch mixture. See how this works out, and then we're going to have to whisk all this together. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of here. It's all coming together. What do you guys do for Valentine's Day? You know what Julia always does? She always has an inverted martini or an upside down martini. And if you look on our site, we'll have the recipe for one for you. Okay, you want to season your salt and your beef with salt and pepper. Okay. And then we're going to transfer everything into the cream sauce. And I think that we're going to add a couple of teaspoons more of butter to this. Oh, hello, my friends again. This is going to be the official taste test of Julia's beef with sauteed mushrooms and cream sauce. You wouldn't believe the mess this kitchen is in. Fuzzy's going to have his hands full. All right, let's just give this a taste test. You know, we've had this many times. It's our favorite Valentine go-to. And first, let me just check the mushrooms. That cream sauce is so delicate. Julia does it right every time. All right, let's try the sirloin and see what we have. Wonderful beef flavor. Tender, not overcooked, medium rare. My friends, this is going to be a beautiful Valentine's dinner. Happy Valentine's Day and happy cooking. Love you. Okay, my friends, and you know, for dessert for Valentine's Day, I don't like things that are really too sweet. And so I found this recipe, and it's called lemon oil olive cake. And I made it today, and I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to sprinkle confection sugar on the top and maybe some blueberries, and I think it's going to be delicious. And we'll put the recipe down in the description box for you.